Hello, this is Bruce Green of Green & Moorhead Engineering with BuilderHMI 2.3. I wanted to focus this video on the button, which is likely to be the workhorse of most of your HMI pages. So we're going to just cover the properties of the button. So as always, you use the left mouse button to locate the button or any control, and the right mouse button to size it. As far as the button properties go, you don't have to worry about the name unless you're actually going to be setting properties at runtime. For example, if you want to set to enable and disable the button or change its text or something like that. So the name is automatically assigned, button 1, button 2, button 3, as you create controls on the page, on the panel. So obviously here's the label. You use the pipe character as a line break for multi-line labels, and of course you can do as many lines as you want. Okay. Image file, you can have either PNG or JPEG images in the project directory, so you can throw an image on a button. That image can be any size. The image is going to appear on top of the text. As far as the button style, the three styles that are provided in the skin files, you have a normal style, a small style, which basically if you're going to make very small buttons, it has a skinnier borders. And then the flat style. The flat style is typically if I have an image on a button, often I'll make it a flat button. We're going to flip into runtime mode, and you can see how that works really well for a button with just an image and text. As you hover it over it, it highlights. All right, we'll clear that. So the interesting thing about styles is that if you add additional button styles to your skin file, you're making a custom skin file, and you add another style. For example, you could have a button that was super high contrast, anything like that. So different shape, different border style. You can basically use your Windows Presentation Foundation style skills to design your own buttons. So if you create another button style in the skin file, it will actually be picked up by this this drop-down control and drop-down list, and you'll be able to select it at design time. So as for the click commands, where you're going to be getting them, I'll just quickly go through that process, is by opening the command list. And the command list tool is going to have everything, all the commands that you could possibly choose. And so we're working with the example my object, my member. All you do is you can copy it to the clipboard, close the command list tool, and then do a paste right in there. And then often you'll want to adjust the value that you're setting it to. If you have multiple commands that you want to send when the button is clicked, open the command editor, and you can then type in as many commands as you want to be sent upon click. So click command versus release command. If you only have the click command, it operates as a normal button would, which is the command is actually sent upon release. But if you have both click command and release command, then the click command is going to be sent when you first press the mouse button. At runtime, you're going to click the command down, or the button down, press it down. The click command would be sent, and then when you release to pop the button back out, the release button, the release command will be sent. And that is useful if you, for example, want to set a variable to something upon click and then zero it back out upon release. Or for example, if you want to start a motor jogging upon click and then do a jog stop upon release, then use both the click command and the release command. So checked is purely visual. It highlights the body of the button. Highlighted is highlights a border around the button. The title is optional. If you were to have no title at all, then the button will occupy the entire space. And if you do a title, then it'll appear at the top. So disabled and hidden. Now, hidden will only actually take effect at runtime. We are at design time right now, but I just switched to runtime. Now we're back into design time. So that one actually only takes effect during runtime. Technician only allows, it'll hide the control from operator level users and only make it appear for technician level users or above, administrators. Alignment we're going to cover in a separate video where we see how stretch, right, left, all that is used. So I'm gonna hold off on that one. But you know, all of the cut, copy, paste, delete, all that is going to work in the standard way. You've got undo, redo controls. They're going to work in the way you would expect. So that is pretty much a complete description of button properties. I'm going to go on to cover other control types and alignment and things like that in a further video. Bruce Green, Green & Moorhead Engineering, BuilderHMI. Thank you for watching.